Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So today is another wig review. This is from Wiggins Hair. They sent me a 13x4 HD body wave lace wig. So this isn't a glueless wig. A little bit of a switch up from my last videos, but it did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So you guys already know I need things as simple as possible. This is what it's like when you open it. A wig cap, lashes, a edge brush, wig band, and a bag. They sent it in 24 inches and they said it's 250% density, which is a lot of hair. So we're gonna see like how much hair that actually is. And for me, like I'm small, so I'm curious. The plucking looks immaculate already, and the pre-bleached, oh my god. Since this is body wave, it comes with the curls, and the curls are so pretty. Wow, oh my gosh, this is so soft. This looks so good. This looks so good. But the funny thing is, we go to the inside and there's a band on the inside. There's a band on the inside and these adjustable straps, and then there's combs. You could probably make this glueless if you actually wanted to, but this is a 13x4 clearly, so it's going ear to ear. So I think if you really wanted to make it glueless, you would have to probably cut off more of the lace to really make it glueless. But the fact that there's a band in the back of it, it could really adjust well to your head. And I got a small size cap, and the size already, it actually looks small. So this looks very, very promising. Like, wow. We're gonna do a little bit of a switch up today. So I decided to go ahead and get this wig installed by a friend, but I let her know, like, listen, you don't really have to do much work because this wig has already came pre-everything. You know, normally she expects people to drop off the hair so she could do everything and do the bleaching and the plucking. And I'm like, girl, don't even worry about it. All you have to do is slap this right on and glue it to my head, do little baby hairs, and I'm good to go. I just want you guys to see like how quick it's gonna be for her to install this hair and how easy it would be for you guys to install it as well. I'm gonna record the whole thing while she's installing my hair. So we're just gonna see what it's actually looking like and how easy it is. So to start off, she's just hot combing the hair back so that there's no flyaways, and just looking at the wig on the wig head, like it looks so good, y'all. So she's gluing the wig cap to my head. You know, I don't usually do the ball cap method, but you know, this is her process, so it's pretty easy though. Just gluing it on. I'm moving her to the camera so that she could show you. She's putting the makeup on the wig and then putting it on the wig cap. You know, this part isn't necessary, but you know, you could do it if that's what you usually do. So she's trying to put it on my head and it's so tight, guys. Like the cap is small. We realized we had to take the wig band off that I showed earlier, and once I took it off, it fit perfectly. So my small head girlies, this is it. She's cutting off the lace around my ears now. And now she's doing the first layer of glue, and she did a couple of layers.
It comes pre-bleached everything?
Yeah, everything.
Don't have to bleach, don't have to what? Don't have no plucking either?
No plucking.
What? Nah, son, I need to get.
That's how you know it was looking good. And this is before the band was even put on. And now we put the band on. You know, you gotta leave that on for like a good 5 minutes at least. She's cutting off the lace now, putting on some more makeup, and now melting it with some melting spray. I asked her to do a little bit of baby hair, so she's cutting that, but you know, that's not necessary. That's up to you. As you can see, the band is crucial at every single step. That band needs to be on for 5 minutes. So she's curling the hair a little bit. The hair came pre-curled as you saw, but she's just adding a little bit extra. And that is it, y'all. It literally was so quick, so easy. She didn't have to do any work. It looks amazing. The hair is such good quality. It's thick, it's soft, and look at the lace, y'all. Like,
it looks like yours though. It looks like yours.
I recommend this wig 1000%. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.